this video I'm going to show you how to change the O-ring on the thermostat housing. When you go to do your timing belt change, it's a good idea to also replace your water pump, and it's a lot easier to remove the water pump if you remove that thermostat housing. So online I picked up this O-ring from Felpro 35522. Thermostat housing O-ring, fits the 1.6 and 1.8 for the Miatas, NA and MB. And then I'm just using this plastic pick to remove the O-ring. So this was all the way compressed down, that's why I'm not reusing it. I have a feeling this wouldn't reseal against the engine block, so it was completely flush. So we see some buildup in here, so I'm going to get some cleaner and wipe this off, make sure we have a good seal. So we're just going to go ahead and put that O-ring in. It may feel like the O-ring's a little larger than the opening, but that's just because it's compressing on the outside of the housing wall. And then once you get it in, make sure it's fully seated all the way around and it'll stay in the housing. Perfect. Highly recommended to change that O-ring when you go to do your water pump and timing belt. That way you don't have to worry about having a leak after you have that whole front of the engine torn apart.